over there and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip I'm gonna unbox the July's monthly Birchbox. So this is going to be definitely late yet again, but you know, I think these kind of clips are really helpful for people who are interested in actually getting a subscription to them, to kind of see what you get in them. And I upload all of them monthly, no matter how late or on time they are. And also I do upload a review version later on after I manage to use every single product. So if you're interested in those kind of clips, I also have some of them. I have others coming up, yeah. And I do also reviews and other stuff, makeup related and beauty, so no surprise. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling and let's see what I got in this, because it sounds decent. They finally made like an open ribbon thing. No more scissors needed. Born unicorn. Oh well. I love unicorns. Every single person who knows me well knows that I'm a bit obsessed with them. Although they are pink and cute, and I say I hate pink, but here I am saying I love unicorns. So this looks very magical. I think it is by far the best quality box. I actually have another one which is the same kind of vibes, but most of them are made out of cardboard, which, you know, they are decent enough, but I kind of use them for storage. That's why I'm telling you about it, because they're really smartly made. I put some blue tack on top of each other, so I kind of stick on top of each other. This is how it looks like. Let's see what I got inside. I'm not even... There's something big in it, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I always forget they have the leaflet on top, so let me just remove that. And is it something big? Because it sounds big, or like a can. No. Oh yeah, it is like. That's right. So let's start with this one, since I actually heard it, like, you know. Oh, I had something from this brand. This is the Percy&Reed London Hair Frizz Fixer. Oh yeah, I actually have problems with my frizziness all the goddamn time, so I'm actually curious how this is going to work out. Let's see. Oh, is it? Ah, that's smart. So you can block it. Just like that. Tuck, tuck. Right, let's see. It smells alright. I'm surprised. It smells not too strong, which it always happens with these kind of things. So, I mean, I don't have a mirror. No, I'll just put it in the review. So this is a decent size. It's 50 milliliters, and let me see how much does it cost. Probably it's a full size price, 15 pounds, and it has, I think, 150 milliliters, while this one has a 50 milliliters. So, you know, it's decent enough to kind of like see if it actually works and to spend your coin on it. Decent size. Percy&Reed, they're really nice of giving that kind of a bottle. Let's see next. There's a floss, my everyday floss. I thought it's dental floss. What? This is an eyeshadow apparently. I think this is the one I chose. Yeah, I think this was the one you had to choose between two shades. Wow. Is it supposed to be loose? I'm confused. I think mine is broke, because it doesn't show loose in here. Yeah, it's really broken. I'll show it to you close up. It's really smooth, probably that's why. Okay, it is a very beautiful eyeshadow. It looks really nice. I feel the formula, it is very, you know, soft, so it's easily breakable. So that one, let me see what is the price of it. So I got a full size and it's £12.50. I feel it might be, I mean, from what I'm seeing, the product, it might be kind of a dupe for the ColourPop eyeshadows, which are literally looking the same from the internet. I never seen them in real life, so I'm not too quite sure what to say about it. But yeah, next, that kind of like, you know, calls my name, is this Lumine Invisible Instant Glow Fresh Skin Tint. Actually, is it this like a foundation or something like that? I mean, obviously a skin tint, like a BB cream or CC cream or whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it and we'll see. It's nicely packed. You know, it has a seal and stuff like that. So let me just see. Yes, it is like a CC sort of cream. Probably is gonna help out with only smoothing the redness, which they kind of got on the right time, because I was really interested in finding something like this, and I just couldn't be asked spending my coin on it anymore, because I already have a couple of foundations I want to get rid of. So, you know, this is a good thing, because I'm gonna test out this one. It is £32, which is quite pricey, but I'm a bit concerned with the shade, because it's in universal medium. I'm not quite sure how universal a medium shade can be. I'm quite light, but sometimes I go a bit darker with other foundations to kind of like match my neck. Might be good, we will have to see in the review, obviously. So yeah, I like the also the 15 milliliter thing, you know, and especially because with some of the travel size products that they give you in the box, you can't reopen them to actually put other products in them. So for example, if I end up actually buying the Lumine full size after trying this one, I could always keep this tiny thing to re-put in there when I, you know, travel and stuff like that. I really appreciate this kind of packaging, because I have an eye cream that I tried through Birchbox. I got the full size, but I cannot reuse the tiny bottle, because you just cannot open it to the point where you can put product from the full size. I hate that. I legit hate that, because I'm wasting plastic through that process. So yeah, so I seen again they put mascara. I always get loads of mascaras through Birchbox, but I do not mind because they are travel size, so I always get them with me. This is the Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara. It retails for £14.50. Let me just open it. I want to see the wand, and I appreciate the easier unpackaging sort of style, because sometimes you just find yourself breaking your goddamn nail. So let's see. Ooh, it's curved, and to be honest, if it wasn't curved, it kind of reminds me of the Benefit, the real wand, except that it doesn't have at the end bristles. But yeah, I mean, it smells like any other ordinary mascara. I'm curious if it's gonna be easier to apply on the bottom lashes. So because sometimes I struggle with that. I always get mascara around my eyes, so we'll see about that. It looks promising. Black, just a mascara. Until I'm not putting it on my eyes, I can't tell you too much. So that's why I'm doing the review video clip. So yeah, another one, the last one. I've seen it, but I'm not. Oh, it's a deep sleep pillow thing where you just spray it on your pillow. I actually watched so many people talking about these things. I feel they're a gimmick. This is retailing the full size for £18, so they're not the cheapest by any means. Most of them are quite pricey. So at the same time, because I have allergies when it comes to perfumes and stuff like that, I'm really scared of, you know, buying something that is quite expensive and then just throwing it away, or like just give it to my friend. But obviously I would not ask for money or something like that. So yeah, I'm kind of glad to try it now. So I'm actually, since I have this pillow next to me, I'm actually gonna put some just to kind of see the smell, because I'm really scared actually I mean, I need to wash these anyway, so. Yeah, it smells like lavender. And it's a very strong one. I don't have high hopes, but I'm gonna try to use it. Just for the sake of actually giving a feedback to people who struggle like myself and have allergies. It smells really nice. It smells like lavender. I can say that straight away. Probably I look so weird. But yeah, it smells nice. It smells like lavender. I think one pump, like one spray, should do for me. So when I'm coming back with the review, it's gonna be that kind of a way around. I'm just gonna spray every single night, just one, and then see if my allergies are acting on me. That is pretty much it. I got 2, 4, 5 products this time, but the sizing of them, I really appreciate most of them. The Lumine thing really annoys still about that eyeshadow, but it is what it is. It can happen. Might just gonna text them and be like, because is that the first time I get something damaged? Usually I get boxes, but I do care a lot about the boxes because I do use them. I mean, if you're interested of how I actually use the boxes, actually let me know in the comments, because I can show you how I storage makeup in them. And that's why I do get annoyed when a box is damaged, because I need to make sure it doesn't look wonky when I put on top of other stuff. So yeah. And the classic shredded paper. I mean, to be honest, I can appreciate now the paper, because I remember before they gave kind of like a material sort of thing, and I'm not quite sure if that's recyclable. At least this is recyclable. It's cute, it's nice, but I always throw it away. Recycle it. I always recycle it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this clip was useful and relevant, and if you're interested in actually getting a Birchbox box, I have a discount in the description down below. Any person who gets a subscription box gets this discount via their account. So it's not something related only to myself. It's every single person who has a subscription to Birchbox can have this code. So, you know, if you want to save some coin, that would do for me, because you also give me £5 back so I can buy stuff from their website, because they have boxes like the subscriptions I get and products individually. So for example, if I really loved this thing, I can always buy it full size from their website. So yeah, probably. Thank you. But yeah, I mean, basically what I'm trying to say is, if you would ever use my code, probably I would just get makeup, because that's the only thing I can buy from there, and just review it here. So yeah, that is it from me for today. I hope I'll see you next time. Subscribe. I have plenty of clips now to actually, you know, have a look around and see if you actually like my content. But yeah, I upload every Thursday, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Bye.